Congrats on your new iBaby Care M7, a total baby care system. Setup is easy and hassle-free. First, open the package where you'll find the power adapter, iBaby monitor, and a quick starter guide. Make sure your device is connected to a 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Second, download the free iBaby Care app. If this is your first iBaby monitor, please create an account. Or click Login if you already have one. Now, connect the power adapter to the monitor. The monitor may take up to 1 minute to power on. Then, open the iBaby Care app and tap Add a Device and choose iBaby Care M7. Now, enter your Wi-Fi password and click Next. Once the device is set up, the app will give you a short tutorial. Now your monitor is ready to be used. Enjoy your new iBaby Care M7.